Give a round of applause to the President and CEO of iCare, Sir Ronnie Francisco.
Good morning. Magandang araw at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Let me begin by sharing why I do what I do. Lumaki po ako sa isang simple at payak na tahanan. Hindi man binayayaan ng material na bagay at karangyaan, hindi kami salat sa pagmamahal. I was raised with modest means by a single mother in an environment where every peso had to be stretched. I was a scholar, first in Manila Science High School, and later throughout college in UST. Natapos ko po ang aking pag-aaral ng libre, walang binabayaran, through various scholarships, grants, and sponsors. In other words, isa po akong dakilang PG. Siyempre, may kasamang dasal, sipag at tiyaga, at ang araw-araw na pangaral ng aking nanay ng kaginhawaan sa buhay ay mararating lamang kung may magandang edukasyon. At hindi lamang magandang edukasyon, kundi with flying honors. Nanay was right all along. That experience shaped me. It also opened my eyes to how deeply healthcare, or the lack of it, can affect a family. Nakita ko po kung paano ang maraming pamilya ang nagdadalawang isip magpatingin sa doktor dahil sa kakulangan sa pera. I've seen parents choose between providing medicine or providing food. I've seen those during my younger years. That kind of fear, uncertainty, and helplessness. Dahil kapag may nagkasakit sa pamilya at walang ipon, walang health card, at walang sumasalo, doon mo mararamdaman kung gaano kabigat ang mundo. So I've seen all of those, I've lived with it, naranasan namin lahat yan. I know what it's like to make hard choices, not because of lack of love, but lack of means. I know how it feels to worry about someone you love, habang tahimik mong tinatanong, kakayanan ba namin ito? Sabay dungaw sa bintana, bukas luluhod ang mga Only the 80s can relate this one. Megastar. Nung bata pa ako, kapag may nagkakasakit sa amin, umiikot yung sobre. No? We gave what we could. In today's digital world, ang tawag doon ay GoFundMe. Right? It taught me the meaning of community and how fragile things can be. That memory stayed with me. It pushed me into a career in healthcare. At first, I worked with numbers, actuarial science, morbidity study, mortality study, forecasting, premiums, all those stuff. But over time, I realized I wasn't just meant to compute premiums and membership fees. I was meant to help redesign the system. Para sa tulad ng pamilya ko at pamilya ng karamihan sa atin, ay hindi na kailangan mahirapan pa for their health and well-being. At iCare, we don't just offer plans. We build safety nets. We create solutions for families, freelancers, businesses, for people who are often left behind by traditional models. We keep our pricing affordable and yet sustainable and viable. We partner with trusted providers like St. Luke's Medical Center, and we use technology to make everything easy, faster, and more efficient. Because when you're sick, you shouldn't have to deal with red tape, right? We do this because we understand, because I've been there. Today, iCare is the fastest growing HMO in the Philippines. Umakyat na tayo sa ranking. From number 12 in 2018 to number 5 in 2024. In just a matter of 6 years. In terms of revenue, 10 times, no? From 437 million to 4.3 billion year end of 2024. And our forecast for this year is we will end this 2025 with at least 8 billion or 9 billion. So, in terms of active members, these are the policy holders now. So we started at 35,000 in 2018 and we're now at 780,000 as we speak. And of course, kasama dyan yung provider of hospitals and clinic. So steadily it's growing also as we grow our business. And our employee force grew 4 times over the last 15 months. And now, amidst all these achievements, we welcome a new phase to our mission. We're proud to introduce Ms. Janine Gutierrez as our brand ambassador. She embodies what we believe in: hope, dignity, and the courage to say yes to better health. She is a voice of purpose, and we are honored to have her amplify our message. To our clients and partners here today, maraming salamat po. Taus-puso po namin kayong pinasasalamatan. Thank you for believing in our mission, for helping us grow not just in size, but more on impact. Every day is a chance for us to be better, and that's only possible because of you. Kayo po ang aming inspirasyon sa lahat ng ito. We also want to thank St. Luke's Medical Center, BGC, for graciously hosting us today. You're not only a venue partner, you're also a valued partner in our mission of enabling Filipinos to say yes to better health. We are proud to walk this journey with you. As we celebrate this milestone, I want to leave you with this. We're not just here to talk about healthcare. We are here to effect change, to make it work for the people who need it most, and to make it feel less like a system, but more like a support. So I invite you, our clients, our brokers, our partners, to keep walking with us. Let's keep saying yes to better health, better access, and better futures. Because I've been there, because I've experienced it. And I know we can build something better together. Thank you and welcome to the future of eye care.
Thank you very much, Sir Ronnie, for that beautiful message.